let's learn this song by Chastity Belt called Fake. It's kind of a cool song. Starts on with the C major 7. That's just the C chord without your index finger playing. Just play it on the lower string. And then go to a G. You can pull your ring finger off if you want and go optional. That's the verse. And then the chorus is D, C major 7 to G. But I played too when I was doing the playthrough at the beginning. I played A minor 7 because I think sometimes they're going to that. Right? And then even playing A minor 7 and pulling off on your index finger. That's what makes this song cool is the little variations they're doing. Like on the D, I pull off my second finger and let the high E string ring. Now you can go into a C and then pull off to a C major 7. Things like that is what makes it cool. And then the guitarist is playing these double stops. It's kind of like you're playing two notes that are in harmony. So like you got second fret on the high E and third fret on the B. Then you play third fret on both strings. And then I went up to the 8th fret and did that. Same thing. I went to 7, 8, and then I went to 8, 8. And they're also playing in the E minor pentatonic. That's what the vocal melody is in E minor. Or you could say G major. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye. Pinky.
Okay.
We'll take a pinky for bio.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
For readers.